Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can set up Autopay on Bank of America. So let's jump right in. Start by opening the Bank of America website. On the main page, you'll see the login form on the left. Just enter your user ID and password, then click Sign In. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll see your accounts listed at the top. Go to the Pay and Transfer section, then select View Manage Payments from the dropdown. On the next page, click on Pay Bills, and then select Go to Bill Pay. Now, find your credit card account on the Payment Center page. Right below it, you'll see a link that says Set up Autopay. Click on that. In the Autopay settings, choose the account you want the payments to come from. Set the Deliver by Date to the earliest option available. Then, choose how much you want to pay each month. I recommend selecting Statement Balance to avoid interest charges. Once everything looks good, click Start Sending Payments. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know Autopay has been successfully set up. Just click Close and you're all set.